Hello, this is Community Education video in English by Catholic Charities Milwaukee. Today we will talk about why is it important to keep your rental apartment clean and in good condition. Today we will share tips on cleaning and other important information you need to know. Cleaning the whole apartment will keep your family healthy, your landlord happy, and will help the refugee community in your area. Why is it important? When renting, you might think it's okay to not clean very often because you do not own the apartment and will move soon. This is not true. There are many parts of your apartment that need to be cleaned every day, every week, every month, or every couple months. You can have many problems if you do not keep your apartment clean. The first is that you might not get your security deposit back. Getting security deposit back. When you sign a lease agreement for rental apartment, you normally pay a security deposit. It is the amount of money that the landlord keeps that is used to cover any unpaid rent or damages caused to the apartment. If you take good care of the apartment and keep it clean, the security deposit will be returned to you when you move out. However, if you do not take care of the apartment, the landlord might not give your security deposit back. Avoid eviction. The second problem is eviction. Sometimes not taking care of rental apartment can lead to eviction. It is a legal process where the landlord can end the lease agreement due to an issue and ask you to leave the apartment. Eviction can happen in many ways, but a common one is not cleaning properly and causing damage to the apartment. An eviction will go on your record and will make it very, very hard to rent an apartment in the future. All new landlords will check your rental history. When they see you were evicted, they can decide not to rent to you. The last reason is that building a good relationship with your landlord is important, especially if you want to continue renting from them. Keeping your apartment clean is a big part of maintaining a positive relationship with your landlord. A clean apartment shows that you respect the property and care about keeping it in a good condition. If problem happens, your landlord will be more likely to help you because of the good relationship you have built over time. Refugee housing. It might not seem fair, but you are a representative for all refugees in your area. So your relationship with your landlord is important. If landlords continue to have problems with refugee tenants, they might decide to stop renting to refugees. This will make it hard for your friends and family to find safe homes. This will make it hard for resettlement agencies to resettle new families. Let's work together to keep our apartments clean so that your family stays healthy and refugees in your community have good choices when they look for new apartments. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more housing videos to be released soon. Thank you to our sources who provided information for this video. Thank you to our partners at Milwaukee Public Schools. This video was made possible by the generous support of our grant funders.